which is cos of pi positive x times cos of negative x divided by sine of pi negative x times cos of pi over 2 positive x is equal to cos squared x. Now what I wish to do is I will consider the left hand side. So what do you have on the left hand side? Cos of pi positive x times cos of negative x divided by sine of pi negative x times cos of pi over 2 positive x. Over here we will consider the numerator. What is that? Cos of pi positive x times cos of negative x. Now we have to get the value of cos of pi positive x and cos of negative x. Now cos is an even function. So what is the meaning of this? This means cos of negative x is going to be equal to positive cos of x. Okay, so that's the formula for even function. So this is going to be cos of pi positive x multiplied with cos x. Now we need to know what is cos of pi positive x. This is required. So I'm going to show you how to get this. Now we have cos of a positive b as cos a cos b negative sine a sine b. So therefore cos of pi positive x is equal to cos pi cos x negative sine pi sine x. Sine pi is 0, cos pi is negative 1 times cos x, which is nothing but negative cos x. So therefore cos of pi positive x is equal to negative cos x. So this is a very important result. So having given you this, let's go on to the numerator. So the total numerator value will be, okay, you take this value and you substitute it here. So this is equal to negative cos x times cos x, which is nothing but negative cos squared x. This is my numerator. Okay, so having got that numerator, let me go to the denominator. So consider the denominator. What do you have in the denominator? You see here, this is what you got. Let me write that down. So sine of pi negative x times the cos of pi over 2 positive x. Okay, so we will have to get these values. So now I'm going to show you how to get sine of pi negative x. Okay, we have a formula. Sine of a negative b is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So this is going to be sine of pi negative x, which is nothing but sine pi cos x minus cos pi times sine x. Now sine pi is 0, cos pi is negative 1, and you have a sine x there. So negative will be positive sine x. So therefore sine of pi negative x is this. Okay, now we will have to find out what is cos of pi over 2 plus x. Now we have a formula. Cos of a positive b is cos a cos b minus sine a sine b. So therefore cos of pi over 2 positive x is equal to cos pi over 2 cos x negative sine pi over 2 sine x. Now cos pi over 2 goes off. Sine pi over 2 is 1 multiplied with sine x will give you negative sine x. So therefore cos of pi over 2 positive x is negative sine x. So we have got these two results. So therefore dr is going to be, from the first result you got sine x. So in fact you substitute that sine x. From the second result you got negative sine x. So you have negative sine x, which is nothing but negative sine squared x. Okay, so let me go back to the numerator. So I'm going to complete here. So therefore numerator divided by denominator, this is equal to negative cos squared x. And what is in the dr? Negative sine squared x. You see that? Negative sine squared x. I hope you're watching. So negative will be positive. So cos squared x over sine squared x. I'm going to write it as cos x over sine x raised to the power of 2. But what is cos x over sine x? It's cot x. This is raised to the power of 2, which is equal to cot squared x, which is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Isn't it? You see here? This is what they want. So that is the completion for this question. We move on. Okay, this